had to wash my scalp immediately. Come here, baby.
Oh.
So my scalp was on fire. It was hot fire. Hey, baby. You tired of mommy not coming to you? I had to wash my hair, babe. Give me a kiss. How bad was my scalp, babe?
It was terrible.
My scalp was so bad. It's like, better yet, I can't even say it like in English. I feel like it was that bad. Cap your tit. Still tell me to cap not tet moi. I had to wash it and it's like 11:45 p.m. Hey, I know, right? And it's a work in progress, but you know. Let me show y'all what my hair look like. Oh, wet, wet. And you can even see, like, sheesh, my scalp. Oh, you have dandruff. Like really, really bad dandruff. Small locks may not be for you, bruh.
I do get asked often, do I have just dandruff or do I have scalp psoriasis, seborrheic dermatitis? I have seborrheic dermatitis. The patches are usually easy to remove. And with psoriasis, the patches sometimes feel sore or tender. And it's not always the case with seborrheic dermatitis. I've talked about my bad dandruff for years. I've used medicated shampoo for it, and what's worked best for me is being consistent with washing my hair once a week, regular lock maintenance, and oiling my scalp. Just a simple routine, but life does come at you fast, and oftentimes I fall off my schedule. This is especially important when you have small locks because the flakes tend to get embedded in your new growth. Usually my go-to after I've treated my scalp is to either go ahead and do some maintenance and retighten my hair and then just add some curls for body for the week. Nothing major. There's always that one lock that never wants to cooperate and curl.